Hi, this next hat is called Cat Up a Tree, and it uses the one balloon hat base B. So far, we've been using the one balloon hat base A. As a reminder, here's how you do the B. You get to this point, you twist an ear twist or pinch twist. Instead of going here, you go about halfway between here and here, which is about here. Right here. Now, the cat up a tree works like this. Take another inflated 260, attach it to the back. If it's off center like that, just take it out or bust it out rather than keep trying to figure that out and get another one. And you untwist it. Tear that out. There. Now make sure that it's in the center. It escaped. I have another one. You're my prisoner. So to do the cat up a tree bit, you go like this. Measures right here like so. Go to about halfway up. And have this go straight up in the air. You take two green balloons, inflate them fully. It can be lime green or forest green. To make the leaves, tie the ends together. And then divide it in half. There's one set of leaves. Do the same thing with the other one. Tie them together. Divide them in half. Sounds like a message on the phone. I'd better check that in a few seconds. Then you take these and connect them together. These are your leaves. You can have them like this, or you can have them like this. I'll show you. But beforehand, I need to connect these at the very top of this tree. You can make them flat, put them together, and you get a little bent down for the leaf. To have a cat up a tree hat, you can leave them like this. I'm going to leave them like this. It's not cooperating. And that looks like a good tree. You get another balloon, a 260, and use any color you want, but I was looking for orange. Well, let's do purple. I've had great success with this color. Great. Okay. This can be a basic kitty cat. Twist a 1 inch bubble, a half-inch bubble, half-inch bubble. Lock twist those two together. You actually can put any animal up here. You can put a teddy bear, a monkey, a dog, a poodle dog. Your choice. You are the artist. So I did a rollover twist with those. Then I do a teddy bear head. Twist those together like so. Shove this up through here. Pinch twist the ears. Take this and bring it back down around the neck. Now to attach it, you twist the bubble here in the animal, do a wraparound fold twist, like so. And now you do not have to wrap it around. You just do a twist, twist, bend, twist. And what you have is a cool cat up a tree hat. And if you don't do a pinch twist down here, it'll wave quite a bit, which creates a lot of action and color. Hi, this next balloon hat is called Buggin. It kind of looks like a bug, that's why we call it Buggin. So you have a one balloon hat base that I didn't pre-make. And the one balloon hat base B, remember, you don't do it here at the other end, you do it about halfway back from the, or maybe you could call it an off center. But it's like this. Divide this top part in half. And you need also a 260 blown up about a foot, another 260 blown up about a foot, and you need 2 eyeball balloons inflated and connected. Now if you notice, these give off a little bit more shine. What I did was I double stuffed an eyeball balloon inside of a clear balloon. And it makes the eyeballs look a little bit more shiny, more lustery. It's worth the impact, the extra cost is. So, take this and attach that to the top. Twist them around together. Then, take these two, tie them end to end, nozzle to nozzle. Attach these right where the eyeballs are. Have them coming up from the back. See, like so. And they face this way. To give it antennas, force the air from here to there. Twist a bubble here. Put your hand up on top. And don't let anything come back down, and just give it a push. And this is what I'm doing by channeling it. If it goes out the end, I just need to channel it better. You don't have to be at the very end if you don't want to. Let it come undone. There's one antenna. Do the same thing to the other side. And sometimes it helps if you give a little stretch on the end, then that way it'll be easier for it to inflate. The kids and the adults freak out when you blow on it as you inflate it. It's pretty cool. Arrange these down. And you have a really cool Buggin hat.